In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find an eBay seller store using username or user ID. If you're trying to locate a specific seller on eBay, this is a quick and reliable way to do it using eBay's built-in search tools. This can be especially helpful if you already know the seller's username or user ID but you don't have a direct link to their store or listings. To begin, go to eBay's main homepage. Once you're there, look near the search area for the advanced option and click on it. This opens eBay's advanced search page where you'll get more refined search tools than the standard homepage search bar. If you've ever found the normal search too broad, this is the section that helps narrow things down. On the advanced search page, find and click on the Buy Seller option. This section is specifically designed to help you search for listings associated with a particular seller account. It's useful when you want to focus only on one seller instead of browsing all matching items across the platform. After that, select specific sellers. This tells eBay that you want to search using one or more exact seller usernames, rather than using a general seller-related filter. Make sure you choose this option carefully, because it helps produce much more accurate results. Next, type the seller user ID or username into the field provided. Be as accurate as possible here. Even a small typo can prevent the correct seller from appearing in the results. If you're copying the username from somewhere else, it can help reduce errors. Depending on the page, you may also be able to enter more than one seller ID, but if you're looking for a single store, starting with one username is usually the easiest approach. Once the seller ID has been entered, click Search. eBay will then show results connected to that seller account. From there, you can open one of the listings and usually navigate to the seller's profile or store page from the item listing itself. This is often the fastest way to confirm that you found the right seller. And that's it. By using eBay's advanced search then, going to Base Seller, choosing specific sellers, entering the user ID and clicking search, you can quickly track down a seller's items and locate their store more easily. If you're doing this often, it's a good method to remember because it saves time and gives you more precise results.